So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law?
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All right, I just want to state that. I just want to state it. Okay.
stated.
It's on record, right? Okay.
Do you want a jury trial or not?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's fine with me.
This entitled Brat stormed into court with one of the biggest attitudes I've ever seen. She actually had the audacity to yell at Judge Simpson, demanding to know why she couldn't be released from jail when she was literally arrested for assault. I swear, I lost brain cells just listening to this nonsense coming out of her mouth. The entitlement dripping from her voice makes you wonder if she thinks the law just doesn't apply to her. Meanwhile, Judge Simpson is just sitting there showing a level of patience that honestly deserves to be studied in textbooks. Most judges would have snapped in half the second she raised her voice, but he stayed calm, collected, and firm. But the real question is, do you think this cocky, delusional brat deserves to walk free, or should she stay exactly where she is? Let's dive in and watch.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So in this matter, Ms. Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a Latasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation, in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney. The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry?
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time
I served 30 days already.
and if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim's loan.
And the monetary amount,
5,000.
10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't told your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All right, I just want to state that.
can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right?
So
Okay.
what do we?
I really just do not understand people like this. I mean, if you're facing an assault charge, I mean, honestly, your first move should be hiring a lawyer or at least asking for a public defender. I mean, I just don't understand screaming at a judge. Like, it's really not going to get you any sympathy here. I mean, this woman's strategy has the maturity level of a toddler throwing a tantrum. And honestly, I think most 2-year-olds are about equivalent to her level here. I mean, it's honestly just wild because entitlement like this isn't just annoying. It really is dangerous when you think about it. I mean, this lady was literally out for an assault charge. Luckily, she's in jail right now, but from the sounds of it, it looks like she's going to get a bond here, but I really just do not see this lady being like a good societal member. Just the way she has this audacity towards the judge, it's just insane to me. Like, I couldn't even imagine talking to the judge like this. I mean, when somebody genuinely believes they can break the law and then scream their way out of consequences, it just shows how disconnected from reality they are. And what's scary is these aren't isolated cases. People like this are out there walking next to you at the grocery store, the gym, or on the road. Just one bad decision away from chaos. I mean, I don't know if that's why people are becoming more disconnected than ever from reality. I mean, it just really does seem like more people are becoming more and more stupid as like the world just keeps spinning on and on. Courts are supposed to be a place of order, but people like her try to turn them into a circus, and it just shows that she did not get raised the right way. But honestly, I just have to give props to Judge Simpson here. Like, honestly, he's probably in my top 3 right now. You know, we got Judge Judge Fleischer, Judge Middleton, all those judges, but honestly, like the one that I really just love is Judge Simpson. I know a lot of people talk about Judge Boyd being soft, but when you compare the two, I mean, there's nothing against Judge Boyd, but Judge Simpson is just on a completely different level here. And I've seen him get crazy before, but like it's only when somebody like maybe a sovereign citizen comes in and completely disrespects him. You know, he's been through a lot, so it does make sense why he has the patience of a saint here. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think it is. I don't know if it's this generation or what, but it's so entitled, and we see it more and more. Like I post stuff like this every single day, so it's really nothing new here. Like people are just walking in the doors with entitlement, and it just seems to be worse than ever. But let me know your thoughts on that.
What do you want this set for, ma'am?
I mean, Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess. If I guess
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
it doesn't really matter.
Well, you've got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it gotta go to trial, then it gotta go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or no trial?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury, fine, that's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she ain't got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out.
If you
But she just said it was no bond.
post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Cause you just asked her the same thing. Cause she said
5%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
Oh, we're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
yeah, I know, but they're all by parenting. The whole
That's-
McDonald's thing and then this. And
This-
I cannot wait for this Brat's trial date, because if this hearing was any indication, the main event is going to be pure courtroom comedy. And my guess, I mean, I think she's going to do those 90 days, no question. If anybody in that jury has a brain, they're going to give her the full sentence here. But yeah, she did 30 days, so technically it'll be 2 months in jail. But either way, any single day that this lady spends outside of society is a better day. And honestly, even if she somehow dodges a sentence, her attitude alone made this hearing honestly just so painful to sit through. So I'm sorry to you guys. And like I said, Judge Simpson is one of the most patient judges around, so I really don't know how he held it together against this lady. But I don't know if you guys caught that, but what really cracked me up was when she glared at her previous lawyer when she walked out. Like she was the reason she ended up behind bars. Newsflash of this chick, I mean, you literally assaulted somebody, the lawyer didn't, so cases like this really just do highlight why the justice system can't bend just because somebody yells loud enough. If we let people like her off the hook, the courtroom turns into a playground for the entitled. So let me ask you guys, do you think she deserves those 90 days? Or should she get another shot at freedom? You know, maybe she's having a bad day. I don't think so, but let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care.